Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Let's start alphabets. A for apple. A for apple. B for book. B for ball. B for pet. C for cup. C for cow. D for duck. D for dog. E for elephant. E for egg. F for fish. F for frog. G for grapes. G for goat. H for house. H for horse. I for ice cream. I for ink. J for juice. J for jug. J for jeep. K for kite. K for king. L for lion. L for lamp. L for light. M for monkey. M for mango. N for nose. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. Q for quail. R for rocket. R for rabbit. R for rose. S for sun. S for sunflower. T for tomato. T for truck. U for umbrella. U for unicorn. V for van. V for vase. W for watermelon. W for water. X for xylophone. X for X-ray. Y for yarn. Y for yacht. Z for zip. Z for zebra. If you like my video, subscribe and share.